Get everybody there at Gate. Hope you are very, very well. Okay, first things first. If you haven't already got yourself registered for the four-part series, make sure you go to tradercobb.com/gate.io. Once you have put in your details right here, you will also have this link that will be sent to you. All right, this is the next page. Registration complete. Once you've done that, you'll see parts 1 and 2 right there right now. Part 3 will be in there in just a moment. Excuse me. And that is with a full checklist. That's better. With the full crypto cradle trading checklist, so you know exactly what I'm talking about. So go ahead, tradercobb.com/gate.io to get access to that. So let's look at what we've got out there right now. Okay. Rightio, that's what we're looking at here. I'll get rid of that. Oh, excuse me. That's a bit annoying, that little cough. Okay, daily. Yeah, so we're holding up. We haven't really pulled back at all just yet. I would have liked to have seen a bit deeper of a pullback, but with that being said, each day that Bitcoin does consolidate sideways, we do get closer to it looking something like this. Now, if you recall, we had an uptrend here. The little bullish candle in the cradle zone, which is the strategy, and then a really strong move higher, as you can see right there. So we could see the same thing again. Not much has happened in the last 5 days, really. I wouldn't be surprised at all to see a deeper pullback. Not at all. Not in the slightest. Why? It's already had a good move. But in the same respect, it hasn't moved that far that I can, that I wouldn't see a consolidation kicking in and then it run off further. So it's a bit in the air right now. I'm just going to wait and see what Bitcoin does. Yesterday, again, it closed above 13,000. Got to see that as a positive, right? So you look at this 4 hour and you look at this slop. Chop, 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 chop. I'm not interested in trading that. So what am I interested in trading? Well, DOT, this is looking fantastic right now. Let's go to the lower time frames and really just focus on this. So first of all, we're going to start up here on the daily, and I'll take you down through the lows. Higher low here, higher high, broke resistance. Excellent. It's been on our list a little while now. You come to the 8 right now, and to pull back in deeper, that could set up a cradle beautifully well off around this $4.50 mark, even $4.60. I'll be very happy to see. The 4 hour as well, you can see a beautiful trend, good cyclicity, and just waiting for pullbacks. It's when I go lower that we start to get closer to the action. Now, a little bullish candle there and a good pop. Now, that wasn't a trade itself because we didn't have a confirmed trend. That was a nice pullback, though. Look, straight back into that resistance. Yeah, marginally a bit big, but I'm waiting for the next one. A pullback into, say, $4.70 on this 1 hour would certainly look very, very nice to me. The 30 minutes got a little bullish candle right there as well, so that could be good to go. So it's just about being aware of what we're looking for, what strategy we're trading, and how we're trading it. The checklists are going to be there. Print them out and use them, but I really like the look of DOT right now, really moving nicely. Litecoin, we're going to go back up to our daily time frame just here, and that's what we're going to focus on for the time being, as we do have a higher low and higher high. It's starting to pull back. A pullback in on the daily would be ideal, but if we don't get it, what time frames can we also look at? I'm not too keen on the 8. Let's go lower as well. It's probably just the daily for me at the minute, as it's a top 10. A lot of the top 10 are starting to just come off a little bit. It's more this daily pulling back in around that $54 to $52 mark in the coming days. So make sure you keep yourself sharp on that. And finally, when we look at our margin trading account again here, I really like the look of this. Let's go down lower to our 4 hour and just have a look at this trend. Lower high. Oops, sorry. I just got a big crunch on my mouse on my glass table and it was horrendous. So we got a lower high, lower low, really nice cyclicity there. Good trend again. Lower high, lower high, lower low. Looking quite good there. Keep an eye on your rules. Obviously stick to your rules, but off of 1700, we got a round number there as well. So a really nice area to stalk a trade. Closest for me is DOT. I like the look of that in the 1. If we continue to push higher, I will still look at those lower time frames. Get into tradercobb.com/gate.io. Just register so you can catch up and you can get the strategy that will be up there just in a moment. And guys, have a fantastic day. There's trading opportunities out there. Bitcoin remains strong. The market looks fantastic. Now's the time to be learning the trade margin and the futures markets on the perp contracts. Have a great day, and I shall speak to you again very soon. Bye for now.